Okay, yeah. Greetings all. This is Obi-Wan, your finance coach. Uh, Today we're looking at section 4, subsection 1. Section 4, subsection 1A. So we're looking at the nature of the income, profit or gain that's taxable. Yeah, we need to look at that under section 4, subsection 1. Income, profit, or gain of a person accrue in or derive from Nigeria, including profits or gains from any trade, business, profession, or vocation for whatever period of time such trade or business may have been carried out. So if you're in any uh, trade, buying and selling, you are any business, you are a professional, accountant, lawyer, doctor, a vocation, probably you have one hand work, hairdresser and the likes, and you earn income. If your income is above the threshold, of course it's subject to that. But if you are a low income earner, you are given exemption. But all these are generic sections. They are generic section. We'll still get to the exemptions. It's one after the other. Royalty, fees, rent, or interest arising from a right granted for the use or exploitation or occupation of any property. So royalty, fees, rent. If you are earning rental income, earning fees arising from the right granted for the use or exploitation of occupation of any property. So such income is not subject to tax. Dividend, premiums, charges, or annuity are subject to tax. Fees, dues, allowances, or any remuneration for service rendered. Any money you receive for service rendered is also subjected to tax. Any professional fee you charge is subjected to tax. Your allowances, wardrobe allowance, any kind of allowance you are given, furniture allowance, they are all subjected to tax. Discounts or rebates are subjected to tax. Disposal of money or money instruments, you are doing buying and selling of money, bureau de change, you are making extra gain from it, is subject to tax. Income, profit, or gain from disposal of or lending of security, you are buying and selling shares, is subjected to tax. Prizes, winning honorarium, grants, award, laurel, they are also seen as income. Okay, I will still get to the exemption. Some of these item and income in general, they are all subject to tax. But that's why we need to look at all the relevant sections so that the exemption you enjoy, because before now there are some contentious issue, like award for gallantry as a soldier. Some of these are considered. They are income that in some climates are not subject to tax. So, but by the time we go through the entire law, you are going to see where exemptions are, so that you can take advantage of those exemptions. Profit or gain from disposal of property or fixed assets. When you sell your fixed assets, you make gain subject to tax. Profit or gain from transaction in digital or virtual assets like cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, non-fungible token, Ripple, they are all subjected to tax when you make profits from them, okay, with some threshold. Any other income or profits not falling within the provision of this category. Okay, so we also have subsection 2. Income, profit, or gain of an individual includes salary, wages, fee, allowances, compensation, bonuses, premium, benefits, or other perquisites allowed, given or granted by a person to any employee other than payment for expenses incurred in the performance of the duty of his employment. So if they are giving you like car, official car, meal, uh, house, I mean, servants, house help, all those ones, they are prerequisites. They are like benefit in kind. Except money given to you to incur business expenses, and you're not expected to make gain from them, from those amounts. So those one might not be subject to tax because they are for business expenses. Okay, and from which it's not intended that the employee makes any profit or gain. So when you're giving transfer some money to your account to maybe buy recharge card or to buy fuel, those are business expenses transferred to your personal account. Those ones are not subject to tax. Any pension, annuity, and other similar income. As I said, these are generic provision. There are some exception in other provision. So that's it. We are done with section 4, subsection 1 and 2. We'll move to still on section 4. We'll talk the remaining subsection in other videos. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.